Nice and toasty.
Something's burning on there. You know what?
That hurt like shit.
I mean, that's why it's right here.
This baby be smoking. I can probably light a cigarette with. Oh, that smoke's going hot. Snap. Whoa.
There's definitely something.
It's smoke. It is all just a bunch of smoke. Yeah, that's basically it at the moment. Ah, there we go. Got a little bit of fire, not a lot. Oh, there we go. And it's gone. And that's a whole lot of smoke. I just want to see this thing catch fire.
Damn, that's a lot of smoke. Really?
Looks like we're burning down a building or something. Oh, it caught fire and I missed it. Wonderful. I missed my cue.
Yes, you did.
The only reason why I brought the phone out to make a video was to catch fire and slow it down, but I got it a few times, but mostly it's just smoke. This is what we call a jet fire, if it's gonna start eventually.
Rocket fire.
A rocket fire, sorry.
Rocket stove fire. Fire stove rocket. Rocket stoves. Dis my brand op meneer.
I want to catch fire, man. I want to catch it on video.
Jy. Hulle nou die purpose van die ding, né?
Yes.
As jy water kook.
Gaan jy en ek gaan doen jy jou ding en moenie ons kom pla nie asseblief.
Yeah, I don't have a studio, so my brother's quite irritating sometimes. You know. Well,
Dan kook jy nou jou water bo op hierdie.
as you could see, it is kind of hot in there. Well, that's a tiny little flame down there. I can catch from the side.
Kyk hier's wat hulle. Here you can see the real product that's being born there at the bottom. And there. Why is it zoomed in?
So that I don't have to get my phone so close to the heat. That's hot.